If there was a way to extend your life, to keep your tissues, organs, and even your skin healthier, all from the top parts of plants studied for over 50 years in Europe, would you want to know about it? Of course you would. You have a highway of life running through your body. Your microcirculation. When it's open and clean, more oxygen, more nutrition, and more immune defenders get in. And more toxins, microplastics, and inflammation get out. Let me give you a picture. Imagine frostbite. When blood supply is cut off to your hand, that area begins to die. But the moment blood flow opens back up, life rushes in, and that tissue can live again. Think about this. Your body contains roughly 1 billion tiny microvessels. About 100 of them could fit inside a single strand of hair. Now imagine what would happen if you increased your blood flow by just 10%. Because of how effectively the body can absorb and utilize what keeps these vessels open, that small improvement could make a massive difference. Remember, your blood is the carrier of life. It delivers oxygen, nutrients, and your immune system's army of defenders to every cell. The science team behind this breakthrough, after more than 50 years of research, often says, clean and open pipes, especially the micropipes, can extend your life. When your microvessels stay open and clear, everything in your body functions better, longer, and stronger. That's how critical microcirculation is. It is 70% of your circulation in your body. It's not optional. It's the lifeline for your entire body down to every cell. Here's the truth. Our bodies are overloaded. Toxins are coming at us from every direction. The air we breathe, the food we eat, the water we drink, even the clothes we wear. This constant exposure creates confusion and breakdown throughout our systems. Studies now show we're consuming an astonishing 70,000 particles of micro and nanoplastics every single day, adding up to over 22 to 25 million pieces a year. From tires, plastic containers, water bottles, and countless other sources, we are literally living in a world of plastic and toxins. In fact, that adds up to about a credit card's worth of micro and nanoplastics lodged inside us every week. Now ask yourself, how long would it take for these tiny particles to clog the body's smallest vessels? The microcirculation that fuels life itself? Could this be driving the rise in autism, autoimmune conditions, and the epidemic of heart, lung, kidney, and liver diseases we see today? There's only one way out. Opening the smallest blood vessels with unique plant-based nutrition, the body can finally wash these toxins out and restore balance. This isn't a this for that supplement. This is a new plant-based technology for everything and everyone, even your pets. Because it's for the delivery system of everything that moves through your body. It's a paradigm shift in how we think about health and longevity. A new direction, a better you. The future of nutrition starts here. You can add life to your years, and years to your life. With this superior 100% plant-based supplement, you can even turn your outcomes to incomes. Who would love the opportunity to extend the life and vitality of their organs, the tissues of their body, their muscles, cells, and ultimately, their entire being. Where else can you find a 50-year study on the most powerful parts of plants, resulting in a 100% plant-based superior supplement that actually targets the root, the microvessels of the body? It helps the body keep those tiny pathways open, allowing more blood to flow. And more blood flow means more oxygen, more nutrition delivered to your cells, and stronger immune protection, something no other supplement has been able to achieve until now. Sharing something truly superior is an act of compassion, and when that sharing helps others, why not be compensated for it?